In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gantt chart as view in GoodDay. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can quickly add a Gantt chart view to your project and start visualizing your work on a timeline. Make sure you're already logged into your GoodDay workspace and that you've opened the project or list where you want to add the new view. First, look towards the top area of your GoodDay interface, near where your current views are listed, such as list, board, or other layouts you might already be using. You'll see a small plus icon, usually displayed as a plus sign above your content area. This plus sign is what you use to add a new view. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This action will open a menu that lets you choose the type of view you want to add to your current project or list. After clicking the plus sign, a panel or drop-down will appear, showing different categories of views. Among these categories, find the section labeled Planning and Resources. This area is specifically designed for views that help you schedule, allocate, and track work over time, which is exactly what we need for a Gantt chart. Click on Planning and Resources to expand that section and reveal the available planning-related views. Once you've opened the Planning and Resources section, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Gantt. This is the view that will show your tasks laid out on a timeline, with start dates, due dates, and durations represented as horizontal bars. Click on Gantt to add it as a new view for your current project or list. After you click Gantt, GoodDay will create the Gantt chart view and display it at the top, alongside your other views. From here, you can begin adjusting date fields on your task if needed, so they appear correctly on the timeline. You can also use this view to spot overlaps, gaps, and dependencies between tasks, making it much easier to manage schedules and deadlines. That's all it takes. Click the plus sign above your views, open the Planning and Resources section, and select Gantt. Once you've added it, you can switch back and forth between list, board, and Gantt views anytime to see your work from different angles and keep your projects on track.